The tactile communication aid that I've made is designed for use with students who either have ADHD or ASD or even both. And my goal is to help students develop skills in more complex subtraction and addition that involves renaming, which is quite a hard concept for some students to grasp. So the tactile communication device consists of a number of dowel rods, and I've stuck brightly coloured, very tactile flowers onto each dowel rod, 10 onto each one. I've also got a number of single flowers available for use with this. So what I'd say to the student is, we're going to do this subtraction problem. Let's make the top number to start with. So we want to make 53, and I'd actually get them to help me stick the flowers onto the dowel so that they understand that there's 10 on each of these sticks, and we can count them in 10. So we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now we need to have the 3 single flowers, so we'd count them out. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do this subtraction problem, so we're going to subtract 27 away. We'd say to the student, can we take 7 away from 3? And hopefully the student would say no, but if they can't, we could say to them, okay, well, you take 7 away from it, and when they can't, we can say we need to do something else. So what we're going to do is take one of our 10s and rename it into 1s. And we'd actually take all of those flowers off of the dowel so that the student understands that they're not one unit of 10s anymore. They've actually become single units of 1s. And we'll say to the student, what you need to do with the flowers, you also need to do with your written representation. So we've taken 1 10, so now we've got 4 10s, or 40, left there. And we've got 1 10 plus 3 in our 1s. We'd say to the student, what does that make? How many have you got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, which matches our written problem. Can we take 7 away from 13? Yes, we can. Let's do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do we have left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to make our written problem match our tactile view. We can now go, we've got to take 2 10s away from 4 10s. Now it's important that they understand we're not just taking 2 away from 4, we're actually taking 20 away from 40. And the flowers helps the student visualise that. We can go 10, 20, we're taking 20 away, and if the student needs to count them individually, they can. And then our written problem needs to match our tactile. So we've got 2 10s left, so we can count up and see how many we've got. We've got 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Does that match our written problem? Yes. So 53 take away 27 equals 26.